Step-by-step tips to help you achieve affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing is a well-kept secret of multinational corporations. For the everyday business owner, it can serve the same benefit for your outfit as it does for them. This video outlines a variety of tips and a bit of sound advice that can help you capitalize on affiliate marketing. Post testimonials about your product or service on your website. Testimonials help to build trust, as they tend to help alleviate risk for a potential buyer. When a potential customer reads of another person's successes with your product, they will be apt to envision themselves in that person's shoes and become more likely to make the purchase. Use the pre-sale content of your affiliate programs to link to keep customers interested. If you are promoting a new dog cage, have the link go to the affiliate's additional information about it instead of going straight to order page. This gives the customer more information about a product, continuing the sales pitch, and builds trust. Do not ignore charts. We are visual creatures, and you will start to recognize trends in a chart before you can find it in the indicators. Learn what the charts are showing you so you can act quickly on changes in the market. Be careful of using too many technical indicators, as they can paralyze your willingness to follow the signs you see. Make sure that most of your website's content is timeless for improved affiliate marketing performance. Reacting to news and industry developments is a good way to generate content, but if your website is nothing but news and commentary, its content has a limited shelf life. Write some quality content that will always be applicable to keep your visitors interested in your affiliate products. There's all kinds of advice online about how you should conduct your affiliate marketing business, and most of strategies will work with patience and consistency. The key is to choose one course of action and stay with it. Use pay-per-click or email marketing or blogging. Don't spread yourself too thin by trying to do all of them at once. Master one form of marketing and get good at it. Taking the unique approach that affiliate marketing offers your business can be one of the best business decisions you will make. Forging long-lasting and secure relationships with partner businesses has the potential to greatly widen your consumer access. It is an intelligent and noteworthy direction toward marketing and profit procurement. Student loan,